show, but I
This is a 1957 Philco E748-124.
words that Jamoke when you're describing.
It's in excellent condition.
You know, I mean, they were just nice. I'm sorry.
Receives stations very loudly and clearly all around the dial.
To a mobile phone right now.
This is Paul.
Because you don't know what necessary adjustments, because they have to analyze everything. He knows how to recognize it. He knows when you try and catch it.
Portable. That were really interesting. And I think
This has an original working clock light, which has been replaced with a LED, modern LED, so the bulb will never need to be replaced, which is a very rare feature. It's still working. The alarm is currently set to about 2 o'clock. So I advance the time, and then it'll go click, and then it'll turn on, and then the light will turn on. There it goes. The light doesn't turn on, actually. You gotta turn it on this way. But that's the alarm. This is how you turn it off. Here's the sleep function. There.
Or use code BETA at invitehealth.com.
So everything works like it should.